Sometimes you're going to need to step out your comfort zone and try something new. I do that many times with art, and in some cases, I like to do it with food. This is definitely not going to be an exception. This is something that I have not tried before. It's either going to be really, really, really good or not so good. If this becomes a video, it's the former. What's up, everybody? We alive. Get another day above soil. Today, I want to make something pretty out of my comfort zone. Usually, when I'm in the mood for some pancakes, I will use this. This is the complete recipe, meaning all you have to do is add water to this. And depending on how fluffy or how thick you want your pancakes, you put either more or less water. But you know what? This box is a little bit empty, so I'm gonna make mine from scratch. So y'all best be ready, cause we about to burn. It's time for me to run by the ingredients that y'all gonna need for your buttermilk pancakes from scratch. First, you're going to need some all-purpose flour. You're going to need some baking powder, pure vanilla extract. Again, I don't use imitation because imitation is not pure. So yeah, you're going to need 1 egg. You're going to need some vegetable oil, some baking soda, granulated sugar. I like to use Domino, a touch of salt. And what is a buttermilk pancake without your buttermilk? I'm just saying. So to review, if you don't have buttermilk, there's a way for you to make buttermilk from actual milk. It is preferred that you use whole milk. So you would use a cup of whole milk, and then you would add either a teaspoon or a tablespoon of vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar, you can use white distilled vinegar. I wouldn't suggest using balsamic vinegar because it's probably going to give it an off color and an off taste. All I gotta do is mix those in, wait 7 minutes, and it's going to curdle a little bit. That's how you make buttermilk. It's just a little bit more acidic than your usual whole milk. So if you don't have buttermilk on you right in the moment, that's how you make buttermilk. For these buttermilk pancakes, I'm going to use this blender because it has a nice spout and it's going to whip everything up real good. So first, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You're going to need 1 egg. This time, it doesn't need to be room temperature. You're going to need 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of both baking soda and baking powder. For my buttermilk pancakes, I'm going to use just a touch, maybe, I don't know, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah, just a touch, a little bit of salt. Now it's time to take our batter for a little spin. When I cook pancakes, I usually use a non-stick surface. It just comes off real smooth. You can use a griddle. If you use a griddle, you're going to need some butter for that griddle. So the flame or the coil is going to need to be halfway so that your buttermilk pancakes don't burn. And I'm going to do this just right in the center of the pan. Just like that. And we're going to wait until you see nice firm bubbles on the side. I don't foresee the buttermilk pancakes cooking for long. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna cook me some bacon. You know it's ready to flip when you see bubbles starting to form like this. So I'm gonna attempt to flip it right quick. Ooh! I saw water God! Order number 57. Your pancakes is ready. Now the real test. I want to know how these buttermilk pancakes taste from scratch. These are decent. I could taste the vanilla. I could definitely taste the vanilla. Probably maybe add a little bit less. Yeah. You're definitely going to need an eighth of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Some people may omit the vanilla. But these pancakes, they're... Yeah. This is a good decision. Come through. So once again, before we part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make with your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, doesn't discriminate. I want to thank y'all for watching my content. If this is your first, second, third, or whatever time, hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. I'm going to include the links to my Etsy, Instagram, and I'm also going to include the recipe for these buttermilk pancakes within the description. We are definitely on the road to 100 subscribers. We're more than halfway there. If you or anyone else you know wants to be a part of that milestone and become a member of the LDX family, hit the subscribe button. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.